The DRC draws more than 95% of its export revenue from mines like these, but a steep fall in global commodity prices means this vastly mineral-rich country now struggles to keep its economy afloat. Its local currency, the Congolese franc, has lost more than 40% of its value, and inflation in this import-dependent country has now hit 50%. Much of that is driven by a severe dollar crisis. So the central bank has now decreed all mining companies must repatriate 40% of mineral revenue to boost foreign currency supply in the country. That directive is backed by a steep penalty. Companies could be fined up to $120,000 for failing to avail details of their foreign accounts to the central bank. The government too says mining companies have not been paying commensurate royalties and taxes. These too could be revised upwards.
We have seen that there is some fraud from our mineral partners, foreigners. They must repatriate 40% of earnings they are making here, but they do not do it. They do not repatriate. So central bank have issued some message, very strict and clear message to them that we will punish those who will not abide by that law, because it is a law.
DRC is Africa's biggest copper exporter and among the biggest exporters in the world. Besides copper, there are vast deposits of gold, diamond, coltan, cobalt, tantalum, and even oil deposits. By 2009, this Central African country was estimated to have unexploited mineral deposits valued at $24 trillion. But for years, the industry has been loosely regulated, and in many cases, its vast mineral wealth is said to have been fueling bloody conflicts and political instability. The government says it wants to turn all that around. Cases of smuggling and corruption by some provincial authorities have further worsened the situation.
A delegation of the President's office and the government who visited Katanga and Central Congo, and we discovered that those people did not abide by this law. So now we gave them, we summoned them to respect that law, and I think that if they do not do it, they have to leave our country.
Mining companies are already opposing the policy. Some have said that the new policy would diminish their profits, especially when commodity prices have persistently remained low in the global market. But the government is not listening to that. It says those who can't abide could as well shut operations and leave. Ocamringa, CGTN, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo.